Zummar here and you're watching The Life of Zzzz. So I think that everyone in the world loves pizza. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make homemade pizza you guys can make by yourself. And then I will teach you guys how to make pizza dough at home. And then the Zzzz will top this pizza dough. You will need yeast, salt, flour, sugar and oil. And you'll need this machine, but if you do not have this machine, don't you worry, because you can make this. Now we are going to prepare the yeast. We have half a cup of warm water. We are going to put 3 teaspoons of yeast inside of here, inside the water. And then we are going to put a pinch of salt. And we are going to put 2 teaspoons of sugar in this. And then we are going to let this set for 2 minutes. Now our yeast is ready and it has rise. We are going to put 4 cups of flour into the machine or a bowl. I have put 3 in and this is my 4th one. We're going to also put a teaspoon of salt into the flour. And we are going to put 2 spoons of oil into the flour as well. Yeast. And then we are going to make the dough. I am about to make the dough. Put half a cup of water in. We aren't going to put all the water in at once or else the dough won't be good. To need. Now our dough is ready and we are going to put some cling film all over it, but we're going to let it sleep. And you guys can sleep as well. Wait, no. You guys can't sleep. You have to prepare the toppings. Okay, so I'll see you guys after putting the cling on. Proper measurements and everything, see the description below. Here is all the Z's.
Hi! Hi guys, it's Zaria.
Okay, that's Zari. She's gonna come later to make her pizza as well. Now we have waited like 3 hours or 4 for the dough to set, and now it's ready. My mom has rolled it out, and these are the ingredients we're using for the toppings. We have cheese over here and salsa. These are the 2 main things you'll need to make the pizza. But these are optional, the rest are optional. So we've got some peppers here, we've got tuna, we've got corn over here. We've got tomatoes, onions and olives over there. And my mom has prepared this chicken. She's roasted and put masala on and everything, so now it's ready for that. And we are going to make our pizza. First, what are you going to use? So first of all, you have to put the salsa on.
Yeah.
And then
chicken and
tuna.
Tuna.
Zarek is going to use chicken and tuna, and I'm going to use corn and chicken, and maybe some. So now we have topped our pizza. Here's mine. I ended up using tuna as well, and corn and cheese and salsa and chicken. And here is Zarek's. He used tuna, chicken, cheese and salsa, and I really like Zarek's actually. It looks nice. So now it's time for little Zarish to bake her pizza. So what are you gonna put on it?
salsa and chicken. And I thought olives.
She loves olives. She's the olive lover in this house, and also her. So first we have to put the salsa on, silly. Come on. And I'll spread it out for you because it's really hard. 2 more. That's right, city. Guys, leave space on the sides for the crust.
She doesn't like
For the
crust.
crust.
Well, I mean, when it's gonna be the crust, it's gonna be saucy.
Yeah, I guess, but
She doesn't like crust, that's why she's trying to cover it up.
it's still gonna come.
You don't like it.
What's next? You
So,
So now she wants to put some olives on. Why don't you get 1 olive and make like a whole round circle with olives?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. And inside of that circle, you can
Make one.
and then inside of that circle, you can put your chicken and whatever
Don't
else.
do that close. It's gonna be really olivey.
No, not olive. Like twist. Just a little bit far away from each other.
No, it's not.
Put
You
chicken.
can eat that one.
Put chicken.
You can eat that one.
Put chicken.
You can eat that one.
Don't mix like a circle, just spread them all out. Get a bunch in your hand and boom.
Here's this. I'm gonna use it.
Oh yeah, and we've all washed our hands so don't worry. We're hygiene.
I'm
Okay,
sure
finish.
about that.
What else do you want? Yeah, you can put cheese. Now this goes all over the olives as well, okay? Come on, you want to put the cheese on? Put it on. If you put a lot of cheese, that's going to melt and be nice, so put a lot of cheese. I think Zzzz Pizza's getting ready, so he's got his olives on now. Silly sibling wars. So now Zarisha's pizza's ready. My mom says, stop putting so much, other people need pizza as well. So here is Zarisha's pizza. She put olives, tuna, and chicken and cheese. So it's Zaria's turn to make her pizza. And what you're going to be using, Zaria? That's Zarek eating his pizza. He really likes it.
I'm gonna use chicken, tuna, olives, and corn, and cheese. And that.
And obviously salt. I'm here to help you if you need some. I'll be like here. So like you're having some real juicy fat over there. And we're having some real juicy sauce over here.
I'm gonna make a line in the middle.
Just literally decorating. That's how far away it was from our So now what? So are you gonna do one side tuna, one side now? She's doing the kind of like Zarek, but she separated the tuna and the chicken with a line of olives. It's gonna be fast. Once I make pizza on bread, actually. Yeah,
It is a nice one.
I use tuna and corn in food technology. Now I've got ICT. Now we are gonna swap again. Put some more. Let me try. Put some more. Not too much. Now the cheese is nice when it's melted. The ones I didn't put enough cheese, and after it was so disgusting. I thought it was gonna be. So here is Zaria's pizza. She used tuna, corn, chicken, olives, and cheese and salsa. So here it is. Our oven is preheated, and
Guys, my pizza's done.
guys, it's ready out of the oven.
Yummy pizza.
Alright, how's your pizza?
It's so yummy. I love it.
This is Dad's special pizza because it has all the toppings Dad loves and also his daughter made. And we are left with our pizza to eat now. So we're gonna enjoy this. We hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to smash that like button. Turn on the notification down below after subscribing and share with your friends and family. Bye!